Number 5 is Vijnana Khanda, means is the consciousness. It's called mind. So most of our Venerable Sayadaw explain about that there is not a mind, it's a consciousness. So in here I explain as the mind. So the meanings of this gatha, Manopo Vinkama Dhamma Manosita Manomiya, this gatha meanings is that the last one, Namakanda, the last one is the Vijnana Khanda, is mind. Mind precedes all mental states. Mind is their chief. Their chief means all Chitasika. There are 52 Chitasika. Vedana Khanda means Vedanas Chitasika. Sinya Khanda means Sinyas Chitasika. Except from Vedana Sinya, there are, all of them is 52. There are, except from Vedana and Sinya, there are 50. These all 50 are Sankhara Khanda. These all 52 is the Chitasika. These Chitasika's chief is the mind. Do you understand that? Okay. Mind is their chief. They are all mind-robbed. If with an impure mind, a person speaks or acts, in Burmese we call, or in Pali we call kayakam. Kayakama means like a physical doings, such as you beat others, you punch others, like that. It's a physical behavior. If you act like that, if you speak, you shout others very angrily and you say the rude words, like that is speaks. So a person with an impure mind speaks or acts, they were all suffering, and these all bad things will follow him or her. Will follow him or her. The Buddha's here giving the example like that. The wheel that follows the foot of the ox, the foot of the cow. The cow is going in front, and behind one they carry how can I say that? They carry the loads. Is their wheels. The wheels follows the foot of the cow, the foot of the ox. Very good.